My allergic condition like sneezing and itching in upper palate and cough didn't stop. It can happen because of the season. As the season settles down, you'll see it will also go. But for some time, it will keep coming. But the frequency will slowly go down. Suppose कीजिए कि आपकी कंडीशन हर मंथ में होता था एक कंडीशन फॉर 10-15 days you are in a particular sneezing and coughing situation every month you do Kumbhak. In a year you will see कि it happens every 3 months now, but it will happen. So nothing happens in a straight line, it always happens in a cyclical way. Then second year you will see it happens once in 6 months. Third year you will see कि अभी तो पता नहीं कब हुआ. That's how it will go. Now, condition may reoccur at a certain interval. जैसे मैंने बताया, don't worry about that. If you have to take medicine for a short period of time if you can. Otherwise, whatever been advised to you, but you work upon the body.